Let me introduce the game asset cards. The Krypto Football game is based on collectible asset cards that you can buy in the crypto auction house. These cards represent existing football teams and players. Each asset card is attached to a NEM blockchain contract with a defined number of tokens that will be tradable on an internal exchange. The game proposed 4 categories of cards: Platinum, Gold, Silver, and Outsider, based on performance in football competitions during the previous years. The cards have a different number of tokens based on their categories. They also have different values based on the auctions and trades. Example: the FC Barcelona team is a platinum card with 200,000 token units. The cards are designed by a selection of young artists. We will invite new artists each year to design new sets of cards. The goal of the game is to select and buy your favorite teams and players' cards while building and growing your assets portfolio. This portfolio will enable you to be rewarded based on the performance of the teams and players in real competitions. Let me finish this short introduction with the special cards. The card's owner will also receive during the year some collector cards representing their team or player and illustrated by invited new artists. These additional cards will also provide additional tokens to trade. The game will also introduce a set of legend cards, which will highlight some legendary football players, like this one. These legend cards will be auctioned during the year and will provide additional power to their owners, like an access to special rewards and prizes. Join the Krypto Football game now. Build your football cards portfolio and start to be crypto rewarded. See you in the game.